For this raw vegan Asian cruciferous salad, soak forbidden black rice by rinsing, draining, and soaking the rice for 2 to 3 days. Once it's done, add 1/2 of a cup of soaked rice to a medium-sized bowl. Seed, core, and slice a red bell pepper into thin strips. Peel off the bitter skin of an English cucumber, slice into half moons, and add a handful to bowl. Slice 1/4 of a green cabbage into thin strips and add to bowl. Core, seed, and slice a sweet apple and add to a bowl. You can use pineapple or mango instead. Finely chop cilantro leaves and add to bowl. Remove kale leaves from stem, finely chop, and add to bowl. Remove the thick broccoli stem and finely chop a few florets. Add to the bowl you're going to eat from and carefully toss to combine. I enjoy tasting the rice first, so I now add the rice last. Very pretty. You can eat as is or add my light ginger-hemp dressing by soaking 2 medjool dates overnight in water to soften and add to a high-speed blender. Make sure to remove the pit with 3/4 of a cup of almond milk, 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds. Go ahead and add more hemp seeds if you want a thicker dressing. 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon ground ginger. Blend on low, slowly increasing the speed to high until creamy. Use a funnel to pour the dressing into a bottle. I love the texture and nuttiness of this dense black rice against the sweet and creamy ginger hemp dressing. I don't even notice the kale or broccoli because it's chopped finely and accompanied by the sweet and spicy apple. I chose green cabbage because it's sweet and crunchy. All the details on how to make this is in the YouTube description below. If you want more raw vegan tasty recipes, check out this barbecue sauce and these fruit roll-ups. I don't use sugar in any of my recipes. I use whole foods like fruit. You can watch these recipe demos on the end screen. Let me know if you have any questions. For my favorite low-fat, oil-free, plant-based vegan recipes, order my cookbook with vegan nutrition facts on how to prevent and reverse disease, which chronicles my personal health and weight loss story through my website, thehigh5diet.com.